Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Today I want to show you single line F's in format string and second one multi-line format string. Today, first of all, I want to display in one line a sentence and one line the data. So that is called in one format that is called single line formatting string. And other we want to more than one line to display in the data on this computer screen, so that is called a multi-line formatting string. So here is we have to code some programs for single line formatting and multi-line formatting. So let's go to display and run. So this is one single line format. So look, name, Zoor, age 34, and if you want to display a multi-line formatting, so name Zoor, second line age 34, location Peshawar, and contact number this one. If you want to another line stop to first line stop to another line go to another line, so we want to write \n in C++ also work to new line on the new for the new line. So that is called a single line or multi-line